Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. It's the first of the month and it's time to share the Pink and Maine subscription products for May 2022. I can't believe it's May already, but here we are. First, I'm going to talk about our Stamp and Die of the Month. If you're not subscribed to our Stamp and Die of the Month yet, what are you waiting for? It's a perfect month to subscribe. It's the best deal out there. So if you subscribe to the Stamp of the Month, you get a 4x6 stamp set each month delivered to your mailbox. And delivery is free and it's just $12 each month. You can skip a month if you like, and as long as you're a subscriber, you get 15% off anything else on the website that you order. If you subscribe to the Stamp and Die of the Month, get a 4x6 stamp set along with the coordinating dies delivered to your mailbox each month for just $24. The Stamp of the Month is called Ribbit, and it's got some of the cutest frogs around. Look at these guys. We have some sentiments. Happy birthday, Ribbit. Have a totally amazing day. Congrats on your new pad. Uh-oh, sorry, I forgot. So we have a frog on the lily pad. We've got a little couple of frogs here, one that's jumping. Then you have a little log, and we've got a couple of little dragonflies. Here's what the stamp set looks like. And here are the coordinating dies if you get the Stamp and Die of the Month. If you're already a subscriber, your automatic charge will go through on the 10th of the month and we will ship it out right thereafter. Now let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard Kit. Our Crafty Courtyard Kit is our monthly card kit. The automatic charge goes through on the 15th of the month and we ship it right thereafter. Our card kits are packed full of paper crafting supplies and goodies that you're just gonna have to see to believe. Each month we give you a postcard that gives a little hint of what the kit is going to be themed. And on the back of the postcard, we list everything that's included in the kit. We have our color palette, and we tell you about our Facebook group where you can go and you can share your creations that you create with the kit. May's kit is themed Wildflowers, and it is a gorgeous kit. We'll take a look at the cardstock first. As always, you get your 2 pieces of 110-pound white ice rink cardstock. We have 6 colored cardstocks here. Beginning this month, our kits now include our very own Pink and Maine cardstock. I am so excited about this. I just cannot tell you how long we have been working on this. Our cardstocks are 100-pound heavyweight cardstock, and they come in our beautiful array of colors. So this month you're getting 6 colored sheets. You're getting one, the pink here is called Dress Shop. The orange is Construction. This light green is called The Park. This purple here is called Night Sky. This teal is called Lakeside. And this beautiful blue is called Barbershop. So I can't wait to see what you create with our new cardstocks. They're going to be available for purchase later on this month, so you can get the colors individually. So if you need more cardstock to go along with your kit, we've got you covered now. You're gonna get your large zippered mesh bag in the kit. It's great for crafting on the go or storing your kit contents. Now let's take a look at the goodies inside the bag. You're gonna get a beautiful exclusive sequin mix. It's beautiful colors. They're very shiny, kind of mirror finish, so it's really sparkly, and they coordinate with the kit colors. You're going to get some envelope seals. You're going to get some beautiful enamel dots, and the colors coordinate perfectly with the cardstocks and the other parts of the kit. You will get a full 6x6 paper pack that's 24 sheets of double-sided pattern paper. There's 24 patterns, so you get 2 of each because they're double-sided. They'll be in a pad in your kit, and they are these gorgeous, it's called Inked Oasis. So they're these beautiful ink designs. They look like alcohol ink designs. So I'll just go through them real quickly. So you can see how beautiful they are. Ooh, the colors. Simply gorgeous. And I'm not sure if we're starting back at the beginning yet. I'm just going through these beautiful inked backgrounds. There's so many things that you can do with these. And yes, I believe I'm back at the beginning. So you get 2 of each, 24 different inked backgrounds. Grab a colored piece of cardstock so you can see the stencil in the kit. It's got these beautiful blooming flowers here. It's going to be a lot of fun to create with. You get a 6x6 embossing folder. This one is buffalo plaid, so you can do lots of fun things with that. The stamp set is called Wildflower Silhouettes, and you've got these beautiful stems with these wildflowers, a few solid butterflies, and the sentiment sending love, best wishes, you're in my thoughts and prayers, thank you for your kindness, this too shall pass, and wishing you well. I can't wait to see what you create with these. You can make beautiful backgrounds and cards with these flower silhouettes. And last but certainly not least, we're giving you a large set of dies here. This is an A2 size frame die. This one die actually cuts 2 frames for you. So it'll cut an outer scalloped rectangle frame. It also cuts a rectangle frame with scallops on the inside. So you can create lots of different things with that. And you're getting a sentiment die. This says thinking of you in a nice script font. Kind of looks like what it says on the postcard if you go back and check that out. And you also get the shadow die for that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at our new subscription products for May 2022. If you're not a subscriber, head on over to pinkandmane.com and check them out for yourself. And if you are a subscriber, I hope you're just as excited as I am about this month's Stamp of the Month, as well as the Crafty Courtyard Kit. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.